Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c: and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space c: / and hit enter to execute. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c: / and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space c: /bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c: / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c: \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Type in ren c: \boot \bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.